In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make wallpapers on Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate to begin creating your wallpaper. This is where you'll set up the image and control how it turns out. Next, tap on the Model section, then select Image, and choose the model you want to use. Different models can give your wallpaper a slightly different visual style. So this is an important choice if you want a certain look or level of detail. After that, tap the settings icon to customize your generation. This is where you'll choose the overall quality, the image dimensions, and the number of generations. If you're making a wallpaper for a mobile phone, select a vertical size like 916 or 1016 so the image fits naturally on a smartphone lock screen. If you're creating a wallpaper for a tablet or a PC, choose a wider format such as 16:9 or 4:3, which works better for larger landscape displays. You can also choose how many versions you want Leonardo AI to generate at once, which is helpful if you'd like a few different options to compare. Once your settings look right, tap Done or OK to confirm everything. Now go to the text input box and type a clear description of the wallpaper you want. Be specific about the scenery, the color palette, and the mood. For example, think about whether you want something calm and minimal, dramatic and cinematic, or bright and colorful. The more precise your description is, the better the result usually becomes. When you're ready, tap Generate and wait for your images to appear. Then, when you see an output you like, press and hold on your favorite image to save it directly to your mobile device's camera roll. Once it's saved, you can set it as your wallpaper right from your phone.